Okay, this brave and daring soul with her hedgehog hair is going to attempt to make something out of all this stuff. We have confectioner's sugar, there's some Pam, some oil, cocoa powder, some Jell-O and some Jell-O pudding. Here's angel food. You get the mint extract right here. And there's some almond extract and...
Yeah, we smelled the rum extract. Don't drink.
Sprinkles.
Don't drink, children.
There's nutmeg, pineapple, cinnamon, ginger, Mrs. Butterworth's, and some Smuckers. And I don't know if I already mentioned the confectioner's sugar or not. I'm totally a little bit lost. And we have some cereal over there in a bag just in case we need that for anything. I don't know. I don't know what we use it for. So now she's mucking about in my kitchen. And I think she found something interesting. Okay, she found the bowls.
Yeah, finally.
You could have just asked.
Dude, this is the exact same bowl I have, only cleaner.
You could have just asked. So anyway, so she's going to attempt to make something. She's going to attempt to make something with all of this stuff, and I'll tape again later and let you know what the results are because, what?
Oven heat.
You gotta know how to turn my oven on.
No.
What?
Where's your oven thingy?
What oven thingy?
To turn the oven on.
You gotta push the buttons.
What button? Start what?
Hold on. Say hi. Say hi and I'll let you go. Alright, this is our daring chef.
Fix
Over
this
and
damn
out.
oven.